Budget LS Factory 5 Roadster build update coming right up. So, successful first drive. I'm very pleased with that. I did burn the heck out of my leg here. It's looking terrible, but I'm not the only one, it looks like. In my haste to get this engine in there, I did skip a step, which is the inside driver footbox. This, or at least this lower part here. Now, I don't know if I got enough room to get the drill and the rivet gun in there. I'm going to have to remove this header and the side pipe, so don't skip steps. Well, since I gotta move all these wires in order to get access in here to get this panel on, I gotta figure out where all this is gonna live. The ECU, TAC module, this thing coming off the side. Not a lot of room on this side. Got these reservoirs here. Lots of empty room over there. Sure would be nice if this thing would exit that way. Maybe I'll see if it'll do it. I don't know, cut a hole right here maybe. That's gonna look like heck, but this ECU sure would live nice right there. Or, since I don't have the heater and radio and all that nonsense, there's plenty of room right underneath here, right behind this firewall. I don't mind drilling another hole right here to put this in there. I don't know, we'll have to see, but for now I'm gonna disconnect these temporary connections and make sure they're labeled so I know which way they go. Figure out where this is gonna go. This is probably long enough to snake around, but boy, that's gonna look terrible. But it's gotta go somewhere, it can't stay here. So I rerouted this alternator, which this is Ron Francis Factory 5 here. I still got a little bit of slack. It goes underneath the fuel rail, but I've got that. That's extra right there, and that's fine. I can cut that and put a new terminal on there. That's no problem. So it seems to me all of this wiring, it could live here and the ECU could be right here, but everybody wants a nice clean engine bay. with hidden wires and everything neat and in its place. I could take this ECU and the rest of these wires. There's plenty of room. I could drill a hole right here in the firewall and stick it all behind here. Boy, the tack module would go behind here as well. I'd have a straight shot to the gas pedal. I don't think I got enough room to put this fuse box, which is specific just to the engine wiring harness. That doesn't look like it's long enough. But I could lengthen those wires so I would have one shot in here. Boy, I have no idea how I would get all these. How would I get this whole thing in there though? Geez, I don't want to undo all that. I don't know, maybe that's better if I stuck it on the firewall on the outside. But how would I get this through the firewall? I guess I gotta drill a hole a little bigger than that. Try and feed that through. Good God, I'm gonna want to de-pin each one of these. Holy mackerel. Man, I'm gonna have to think about that.